Do you know what determines your success? It's the small steps which you take on day-to-day basis. Like tiny raindrops which forms into a mighty ocean, in the same way, the small steps which you inculcate in your daily life forms your habit. It can be waking up that 1 hour early, or it can be that writing your journal for improving your creativity, or it can be drinking that excess 4 glasses of water. It will give you immense health benefit mentally and physically. But one thing in today's tech world we are compromising is the sleep quality. So today I would like to speak more about that. The benefits of a good sleep, it's immense. The first one is it improves your immunity. For example, even the COVID patients, doctors tell us to have a good sleep because it improves the immunity of a COVID patient rather than getting tensed. And any kind of vaccine is also beneficial on your body if you are getting a good sleep. And the body will start repairing itself. And the second point is it reduces the weight gain. Because when you are sitting late night watching the TV, certain hormones are produced which will create more cravings for food. So if you are sleeping on proper time, it will manage your weight gain. And the third one is any kind of heart related issues. Because when you are not getting enough sleep, your body will start producing cortisol, which is a stress hormone. The heart will have to function more, work hard to improve that. So if you are getting a good night's sleep, it will give you overall relaxation to your body and mind. And next point is it will increase your productivity. It will give you a lot more memory power, especially children. They can learn more if you are getting a good night's sleep. And the last one, but never the least, is your traffic problems. More people die in an accident because of lack of sleep rather than taking alcohol. So it's a must that you should have enough sleep. So these are the benefits of a good sleep. Now, what do you mean by a quality sleep? You have to fall into sleep within 30 minutes when you hit the bed. And you should get a deep sleep up to 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours. And you should not wake up more than one time. And this is the definition of a good sleep. Now, what do you mean by circadian rhythm? It's very important to know. It's the waking up and sleeping pattern. When you wake up in the morning, when you see the sunlight, the brain will send you a signal that your day has started. And when in the night, when the room is very dark, when you close the windows, curtains, everything, when it's dark, the brain will send you a signal that it's time for lullaby or you have to sleep. And this sleeping waking up pattern, which the body creates itself, it's a biological process, and this is called circadian rhythm. Can you improve your sleeping? How can you create that environment where you can get a good night's sleep? The first one is the sleeping time. You have to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. So it improves your circadian rhythm, which is very important. 10 o'clock you can go to sleep, and at least by 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock you can wake up. So this has to be a regular pattern which improves your sleep quality. And the second one is what you drink and eat is very important before hitting the bed. For example, if you are consuming a lot of coffee or alcohol, and if you are eating a lot of junk food late night, it will definitely affect the sleeping pattern. And third one is your environment. The room has to be cool 20 degrees Celsius is the optimal temperature for a good sleep, but in tropical countries it may not be possible. So what you can do is to create an environment. You can, in the morning time, you can open your window, but after that, by afternoon, you have to close all the windows, curtains, and ensure that the solar energy is not penetrating too much into your bedroom, which makes it very hot. And you can try planting a lot of shady plants and trees around your home, which is also good. And the next one is your bed cover. Everything has to be clean. No toys, no books, no mobile charger. Everything has to be kept away. The bed sheet has to be very clean and it should be neatly spread. And the next one is daytime. If you are exercising more, if you are meditating, it will definitely improve your hormone level, which creates more positivity and you will be stress free. And before hitting the bed, you can have a bath. Bathing is very good. Then wearing loose outfit, cotton outfit is good, and drinking a warm glass of milk is also good. So I ensure you a happy sleep. So see you in the next time. Have a happy day.